Yo, what is up, everyone? Oh my gosh, look how much this job has changed. I got a new toolbox with a whole bunch of organizers. Like, dude, this is sick. I mean, oh my gosh, it is just awesome. And obviously my gloves are in my hands, but I have glove hangers and a helmet hanger right there. K&N and Honda banners, dude. I went the full 9 yards on this shop, and I'm loving it. I want to see what you guys think about it. What should I do to it in the Big Bear? Let's just talk about the old girl while we rip the Honda, the dirty Honda. She hasn't been washed in like a week. Let's just see if she starts. Like a dream, man. We're actually going to a small little creek to feed some fish because I actually feed them so that way I can catch them next time I go and so they don't die. I think the main reason why I'm doing it is because I want them to, first of all, to stay at that spot, and second of all, they don't have a lot to eat in that little creek, so I want to keep them fed with dog food so they don't end up eating each other. Oh, it's a beautiful evening. Hold on, let me point my GoPro a little bit more upwards so we can get the full scenery. Dude, it is freaking beautiful. Oh, I almost just ran into that car because I'm blinded. Okay, anyway, I was talking about the Big Bear. So the Big Bear, it's gonna need some tranny work. The transmission's locked up, so I need to take the engine off of it. So I mean, it's gonna be a fixer-upper, but she ain't bad though. I mean, depends how you define bad. I mean, I don't think it's terrible. I really hope this mic is still on. I mean, it's an awesome mic, great quality. But also, I forgot to say, this is my dad's friend's land. I mean, this is awesome. It's a very beautiful property. I would love to be able to own it. It's just very pretty. There's a whole pond down there. I mean, it's huge, very deep too. Me and my friend and I have.
You stupid.
Caught bass in it. By the way, put in the comments below if you want fishing videos, because I'd be more than glad to provide those for you all. I mean, I'd love to do fishing videos. Completely not against it. Also, there's this small little spillway here. It's really cool. I mean, just absolutely beautiful land. I like it a lot. The whole entire video is just going to be talking about how much I like this land. Can we make it in two-wheel drive? That's the question. Oh, crap. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, yeah, we're good, though. Four-wheel drive is all it took. I know everyone's going to be like, oh, you should have... Oh, Froggy. You should have just sent it. Dude, this isn't my land. I don't want to send it. In fact, I probably shouldn't be riding here on that mud pit anymore because I don't want to dig it out too bad. So just take her out of two-wheel drive. I mean, out of four-wheel drive. Also, dude, that is so fun. I've never done that before. I've gone over to this property many times and I've never done that. I can't believe it. I'm disappointed in myself. Also, I have a new mud pit that I forgot to show you guys. I just didn't think it would be worth making a whole video about it specifically. So that's why I never made a video on it. Also, he has a brand new Polaris RZR and a Honda Rubicon 520 on freaking huge 30s, 30 Terminators. Like, oh my gosh, like you can see just a little bit of it over there. He got it in green. I mean, it is nice. I would love to have one. But if I'm gonna go for expensive, I might as well just buy a used Can-Am, if I'm being honest. Because I'm power hungry, man. The Honda, I love the Honda dearly, but I really wish I had more power. By the way, I apologize for the wind noise. I hope it's not too bad. Oh, gotta do evasive maneuvering. Bird. Oh, this is good filming conditions right here. If you can't tell, my GoPro is terrible at capturing light, like when it's speckled around in the woods. It's terrible at doing that, and I hate it so much when it does that, because its contrast is awful, and I can't change it. So yeah, probably I'll be able to get a new GoPro as soon as I start getting monetized, because I just don't have the money for it right now. I'm trying to focus on saving my money up for projects, because I know you guys would rather have that anyway. Ooh, and Mudhole's pretty juicy. Oh my gosh, that is so peanut buttery. Let me show you what happens if I go in two-wheel drive. Instant stuck. Instant. Ooh, there's a spider. And in four-wheel drive, instant stuck. Like, I mean, it is awful. Let's put diff lock on, in case you didn't know. If you mash the brakes down, it actually engages diff lock on the other. It doesn't actually engage diff lock. It's just a little thing you can do. But dude, this place is bad, and that's why I don't go in it often, is because I can't get out this way. I'm gonna have to get a shovel and like make it a lot less aggressive. I know Axle is not doing too good right now. It's not going bad necessarily. It just doesn't do good under a lot of strain. Dude, stuck in four-wheel drive. What the heck? So I'm gonna get one Sensky in. All right, let's do this. Oh heck yeah! It is so pathetic that I can't make it up that though. Oh, that just flung the handlebars out of my hands. That is not okay. Yeah, basically this mud hole is just extremely bad. Like, it is terrible. I can't get out of it. I just can't. I'm gonna have to smooth down that wall a bit, because I just can't make it up that. I can't. But if I got it smoothed out like this side, I could 100% make it through it, and it'll be fun too. I also do want to show you a little jump I have there. I didn't hit it, so let's hit that right quick. Four-wheel drive didn't disengage. Oh yeah. That probably looks pathetic on GoPro, but I'm actually getting decent air from this thing. But yeah, this was meant to be just a short video, giving an update. I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded in a while. I've just been so busy with the Big Bear. Like, I'm just trying to get it fixed so badly, but I'm just missing out on the motovlogs, man. But I will be taking on my hunting land sometime soon. I would love to do that. And there are some pretty bad holes that need to be hit. So yeah, that'll be something. That'll probably be next video. Now, oh my gosh, those are huge mushrooms. Okay, actually, something's wrong with this rear end. I'm not joking. Something's up. I'm gonna have to take this helmet off and figure out what's wrong with the Honda. In the meantime, I'll just go ahead and close off this video. Once again, thank you everyone for subscribing. It means the world to me. I mean, it's just, once again, I apologize for seeming to farm off of another YouTuber. I did not intend to do that in the least, and I feel very bad about it. But anyway, you guys have a great one. I'm not going to ask you to like or subscribe. That is completely up to you. But do stay tuned for the next video.